still gon' yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
Back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone.
Let's get straight into our hot gossip for today.
For our first topic for today, we have to talk about Demi Lovato and, Wendy Williams. Wendy Williams was recently with an interviewer, and they were talking about Demi Lovato and her last relationship with Max.
That's right, Dr. Ross, the Max Enrich.
Exactly.
And Max was going crazy and making a fuss, saying that she was trying to use me for my likeness.
Actor, and he's saying that Demi Lovato was using him for his fame. Demi Lovato's fans, they quickly went to bash him, called him a terrible actor, said he's narcissistic, the whole list.
Oh no, so you didn't use you on that bait!
Because he went on Instagram Live, fake crying.
I was in love. The whole world should freaking know it. I thought I found the real deal. Now I found out that I was used. But I hope the song's #1 because, you know what? If that's what someone wants in the material world, here you go, you have it. I hope this makes you happy. Enjoy. You just lost someone who loved you fully, completely, infinitely.
Now I know why he's an actor. And what's he doing in the bathroom?
Everyone uses someone for some reason, but
exactly.
He should have went over there and got a get-up, because the way he did it, he just got left in the dust. He should have used that to come up and at least get somewhere in the Hollywood or the entertainment industry.
I'm sorry to say it, Black King Sebastian, but it seems like the guys nowadays, they have no game. If you really wanted to slay the game, if you really wanted to come up, actually be known where people know who you are, because I can't even remember your last name, then you probably should have been more suave with Demi Lovato. Demi Lovato 3 years ago, she was the it. Right now, I'm not saying she's not anymore, but she's relaxed a little bit. You could have got her a little bit easier.
That's right. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic has to be about Dancing with the Stars. If you did not watch this week's Dancing with the Stars, go watch it, because it was fantastic. They had the NFL player that I really like, the NFL superstar with the blonde-haired lady. I'll put her name right here, and they looked fantastic. They were sensational, everything.
The thing that I have to say about the Dancing with the Stars, Dr. Ross, is that the host, Miss Tyra Banks, we look up to you as a model and an entrepreneur, but when you were on there today, you just look tattered.
Exactly. Tyra Banks, I don't know what they've been feeding you, or if you've been with your mom eating those pizza sticks, the pizza rolls, extra sauce, extra cheese, but the dress was not good for you. You should have got something where you sat at the booth, looked elegant, because Tyra Banks, you know the industry, you're a model, and you're good at it, and you even had a reality show called Top Model, where you grade the people, and they come on, and if we had to grade you, no harsh feelings, but we're going to give you an F+. And
That's
the plus
right.
is for showing up to work.
Goodbye, nigga!
That's true, Dr. Ross. Wear a Halloween costume or something to cover up all of the extra weight.
If 2 of the judges are divided, the 3rd judge will cast the deciding vote. And again, we apologize for let's see you next week, 80s night. We love you guys so much, all right? We're gonna hear it one more time for Ann and Keo. We love you.
Let's move into our next and final hot topic.
For our next and final hot topic, we do want to talk about the Cowboys because, we are in Dallas, Texas right now, as usual, practicing our craft before we go back to one of the next coming up states, Atlanta, LA, or Florida. You already know the game.
That's right, but the Cowboys have gotten another defeat on their name.
Sad. It's going to be a thumbs down for us.
That's
but we're going
right.
to end that topic right there and go ahead and go into the horoscope for today.
That's right. Our horoscope for today is Libra. They're impressed with your considerable insight and understanding. It does no harm to be regarded as a leader in your own right, and your confidence and self-esteem soars. To all of our Libras out there whose birthday is today, congratulations and happy birthday.
Exactly. Happy birthday, Libras. And on a side note, we do want to mention that the She's Hot contest is coming up, and I know you guys are excited. You're ready because our ballot boxes are just going over the roof right now. I know it's voting season, but you guys are obviously voting for what is right, and that's the She's Hot contest.
That's right. So stay tuned for that. It will be uploaded this Friday.
Exactly.
Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll catch you on the next installment. We out. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and gold.